Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color chase from Paw Patrol so easy. Let's start drawing. Start with his eyes if you want to support us. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. I continue with his nose and his mouth. He is smiling. Then I draw his face and his police hat. I draw his ears perked up. I continue with his necklace and badge. Then I draw his body, draw his police suit and his 4 legs. On his back, I draw his backpack. Finally, I draw his tail. Now, let's start coloring. First, I used dark blue to paint his police hat and his police suit. Yellow. Gray. Pink. Next, I use a brown marker and a light brown marker to paint his fur. Brown for his eyes. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.